Hello viewers, welcome to Factpedia. In this video, we shall discuss on the deadliest war in the history of mankind. Human history has always included a large number of deaths and enormous damage. Few men just proclaimed wars, and the youth fought and died in the name of the cause. Wars began between tribes, progressed to cities as battlegrounds, and eventually to countries. Its consequences suffocated vast civilizations. Between conflicts, governments disintegrated and fell apart. It is said that our world strives for harmony. This is due to the reality that peace is accompanied by violence, deaths, and conflicts. Throughout history, mankind has witnessed several conflicts. Power was always measured by one's capacity to win wars, and the size of one's army played a significant influence in this, particularly during the period of gladiators. More than 350 million people have died in the most terrible battles throughout the human history. Because of some beneficiaries who rule over the globe, humans are engulfed in never-ending conflicts. Here is a list of some of the world's worst wars in human history. World War I, which occurred between 1914 to 1918 with 40 million estimated deaths. Despite the fact that World War I had its core in Europe, it had a global impact. During World War I, an estimated 40 million people died, including more than 9 million fighters. The conflict began as a result of this occurrence. Germany took use of this chance to exert influence over other nations, forming alliances with United Kingdom, France, and the Russian Empire. The United States, Italy, and Japan were allies, while the Ottoman Empire and Bulgaria backed Germany. The Armenian genocide was the most terrible event of this period. The Germans invaded Belgium and massacred the civilians of Belgium. World War I paved the way for the most heinous conflict in history, World War II, which occurred between 1939 to 1945 with 75 million estimated deaths. Many people remember World War II because of the gruesome and horrific effects it had on people's life. Over 40 to 75 million people died during the 6-year global Armageddon. Adolf Hitler's Nazi dictatorship enslaved the whole continent of the Europe to a war. Over 1 million civilians were murdered in bombing strikes. In 1945, the world was stunned when nuclear bombs were unleashed on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Up to 11 million Jews, convicts, homosexuals, and disabled persons died as a result of the Holocaust. The Katyn and Nanking massacres were highlights of the conflict, but many perished through illness, hunger, and starvation as well. During World War II, the male population was drastically reduced. Taiping Rebellion, which occurred between 1850 to 1864 with 30 million estimated deaths. In South China, Hong Xiuquan, a rebel who had vision that he was Jesus' brother, led the Taiping campaign against the Qing dynasty. This revolt sparked the most strange and deadly uprising in the history, which claimed the lives of 20 to 30 million people. He created Taiping Heavenly Kingdom in South China and attempted to overthrow the Qing dynasty's authority. The Qing dynasty was held by the French and British. Every citizen was properly trained and recruited into the army during this conflict. Between the battle and fatalities, both sides chose to destroy agricultural regions, resulting in the deaths of over 600 individuals in over 600 cities. The most cruel and terrible conflict ended in the infamous Guangdong massacre, in which imperial soldiers slaughtered over 1 million people. Mongol conquest, which occurred in the year 1206 to 1324, with 50 million estimated deaths. During the Mongol Empire's invasion of Eurasia, an estimated 50 million people were murdered. The mythical Genghis Khan began the Mongol invasion. By negotiation or voluntary capitulation, several minor nations from present-day Eastern Europe to Burma and Vietnam were incorporated into the Mongol Empire. Those who weren't, such as the city-state of Kiev in modern-day Ukraine, faced a dreadful destiny. Three Kingdom War, which occurred between 184 to 280 AD with 40 million estimated deaths. Between 184 to 280 AD, China was devastated by Three Kingdom Wars. The Han Dynasty lost de facto authority as a result of tripartite split of states. Wei, Shu, and Wu were the nation that began the period of disunity and were responsible for the conflict in China. In 280 AD, the Battle of Red Cliffs saw terrible battles in eastern Wu and Cao Wei. During this period, hunger struck China's central plains, killing a large number of people. During the battle, Dong Zhuo's soldiers raped women and set fire to the captured areas, among the other crimes. These three dynasties fell apart in 280 when Jin destroyed the Wu Empire, killing 20% of the Chinese population. These are some of the deadliest wars ever witnessed on the earth. If you like our video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.